What's up guys, this is Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and we previously already installed the Carplay Android Auto plug and play retrofit for this vehicle. Very easy to install. We have a separate video showing how to install it, but today I'm just going to show you how it works. We want to update the video that we have made many years ago. Some functions has changed, so want to run it through you, let you know how everything works. So if you do end up purchasing this product today, this is how it's going to work. So let's go in the car. Let me show you how it works. We'll keep it very short. Alright guys, we already installed this kit, and let me just show you how everything works. So with our new system, all the audio gets routed to the car's Bluetooth, so you want to make sure your phone is connected to Bluetooth audio, okay? And once your Bluetooth audio is connected, press and hold the hang up button, and that will switch over to the CarPlay screen. And in order to connect to the CarPlay wirelessly, I'm currently connected wired. All you have to do is go to settings, go to general, go to CarPlay, select your car down here, and then say yes to prompts, and you'll be able to connect. So once everything's connected, all your functions will work normally. You could summon Siri by pressing and holding this. What's the weather?
It's currently clear and 71 degrees. Expect.
And you can also play your Spotify music. All right. And your track up and down functions normally. And on top of that, your backup camera will work normally as well. If you want to pick up phone call, you could pick up and hang up using the steering wheel control buttons, and also your volume controls also works as well. Very easy to use. Swipe action works as well. And if you're in the map screen, you can actually drag around the screen if you want to look around. And you can also zoom in and zoom out like so. All right guys, well that concludes our quick demonstration that we did on this 2014 and 2019 Toyota Tacoma. It's a very easy installation. And if you're looking for an easy way to add CarPlay or Android Auto, this is a kit to get. Otherwise, you're gonna have to change out your radio and it becomes much more complicated. If you're here local to us, we can also install it for you here in La Mirada. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, help us by subscribing and liking our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.